Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Muzammil Hussain. Today we are going to start our lecture number 6. Exercise 1.2, question number 2. Write the following sets in tabular form. Dear students, in tabular form we list the elements in curly bracket and separate them with the help of commas. A part of the question is A equals to the set of names of three boys whose names start with letter B. So its tabular form will be A equals to Bilal, Badr and Babar. B part of the question is the set of names of three girls whose names start with letter I. So its tabular form will be B equals to Ikra, Iram, Ifra. C part of the question is the set of four domestic animals. So its tabular form is C equals to goat, cow, hen, dogs. D part of the question is the set of five birds. So its tabular form will be D equals to sparrow, crow, parrot, pigeon, cuckoo. Remaining part of the questions you can note down from here and practice them. If you find any kind of question regarding this lecture, you can contact me at mnhussain7890@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.